Do question number 57, then I will help you. Okay, do this one, please. Are you doing? What is compound A? Tell me. What is compound A? An organic compound A on heating with concentrated H2SO4. This is a compound A heated with concentrated H2SO4 gives a compound B, which on addition of with 1 mole of hydrogen. Okay, so you know
The
that this is,
compound A, ethanol.
yeah, it is ethanol C2H5OH. When it is heated with concentrated H2SO4, the which type of reaction is going to take place? Which type of reaction is going to take place? Tell me. Which type of reaction is going to take place? Dehydration reaction will take place. Nah? Removal of
Yes,
water will take place. So it will be C2H4 and one H from this one and one OH will be separated out. And this is the formation of alkene. Alkenes are the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. You understood?
yes, sir.
Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, when had this is compound A and this is a compound B, it is saying that B which on addition with 1 mole of hydrogen gas. So when you have B C2H4 and you pass hydrogen gas to it in the presence of nickel, palladium or platinum, what is going to happen? Name the type of reaction that is called. This reaction is dehydration reactions. Dehydration. Name this reaction, please. What is the name of this reaction? It is hydrogenation of saturated hydrocarbons. It will gives you C3H6 alkane will gives you. It is ethene. It will gives you ethane. This is the hydrogen of alcohol. Next, 1 mole of compound C. First of all, let me explain you that here till here we don't know whether it is we know that it is an alcohol because alcohol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it will gives you alkene and alkenes go hydrogenation reactions. But still we don't know that it is a 2 carbon alcohol, 3 carbon alcohol, 4 carbon of alcohol. It can be propanone also, propanol also. It can be propene also. It can be propane also. It can be butane also. It can be butanol. We don't know. But here it confirms that it is a 2 carbon alcohol. Why? Because it is saying that when 1 mole compound C, this is a compound C, when 1 mole, so 1 mole means it should be always 1. Okay. So uh, so no, it is not C3, it will be C2S6 because it is 2 carbon na, here. So it is saying that when 1 mole of compound, so when we have C2S6, it should be 1 here. Okay, when we are balancing plus O2 will gives you 1 mole of carbon dioxide, sorry, 2 moles of carbon dioxide and 3 moles of water. So 3 moles of water is possible when we have C2H6 because in 3 moles we have 6 hydrogens. And in 2 moles of carbon dioxide, we have 2 carbons. So this is indicating that we are going to have C is ethene. It is a 2 carbon compound. So 2 carbon compound is received when we hydrogenate 2 carbon alkene. Okay. And 2 carbon alkene is received when we have 2 carbon of alcohol during the dehydrations. Okay. So it is confirmed now that it is ethanol, it is ethene, it is ethane. Okay. Now you understood? Everybody in the class understood this one? Note this
Yes, sir.
question and please write the answers. Write the answer, please, properly. Do this one, please. Noted, everyone? Please tell me.
Just a minute, sir.
So compound A is 2 carbon alcohol. B is ethene, C is ethane. Got this one?
Yes, sir. Noted.
Okay. Why the other students are not responding?
Yes, sir.
Noted, everybody?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
just a minute. What should be the answer for the question number 55? What will be the answer for question number 55? Is there anyone who can tell me that what should be the answer for the question number 55? This is an important question. It was asked in your examinations also. Hmm? You know that eth aldehyde, aldehyde and ketone have the same functional compressed formula, that is CnH2nO. This is the formula for aldehyde and ketone if it is condition is that N should be equal to or greater than 3. Got it? So let's take this question just a minute. So can you tell me that is there anyone who can give the idea only for this question? Abir, you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me? What should be the possible structure for this question? Hmm? Can
The
you tell me?
propanol.
Yeah, it can be propanol. So you have heard about we have heard, we have practiced that there are functional isomers, okay? Functional isomers. What are functional isomers? The compounds of hydrocarbons having same molecular formula, but different, different functional group, okay? So this is the compressed formula. This is C3S6O. It's saying that possible isomers of the compound with molecular formula. You know that the chain isomerism starts when we have, I mean, it starts from butane when we have four carbon. It does not start, but the functional isomerism start with the 3 carbons. Okay, like you see here, that this is the general formula for the CnH2nO, and this general formula is for ketone as well as aldehyde. LD, aldehyde. Okay. So how you can say that? Like if I'm having this one, you can check it. This is C3, CH3, means you will have, if you write it C3, the 3 carbons here, S6, 3, 3, 6. So this is propanon. Okay, this is ketone. And if we have this O group at the termination, at the last carbon, then it will become aldehyde. Okay, now this is aldehyde. CH3, CH2, CHO. So this is propanal. Can you tell me this? Is there any other functional group that means that show the functional isomerism? Can you tell me? Is there any other functional group that show the functional isomerism? My screen is frozen. Oh, sorry. I wrote each and everything. Now, is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. You can speak, sir. Why didn't you speak? You just keep silent. The screen. I'm just writing something now. So you must speak during that time. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the ketone, and aldehydes have the same functional isomerism. Okay, they show the same functional isomerism. Got it? Got it? Other, if I talk about other, also show the functional isomerism, but these functional groups are not in your syllabus. But alcohol show isomerism, functional isomerism with alcohol and ether show functional isomerism, and their general formula is CnH2n plus 2 and then O. Here is plus 2. And carboxylic acid and ester show functional isomerism, and their general formula is CnH2nO2. The same as ketone of aldehyde, but a difference of with oxygen. Here is 2 oxygen, here is 1 oxygen. Okay, in ketone and aldehyde general formula. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
So next question. Let's take the next question. Do this question number 52, please. Question number 52. Read the question thoroughly and then try to understand what it is saying, okay? And one thing that if you are having any doubt uh, in, especially in the dihybrid cross, Mendel dihybrid cross. So I will going to teach you that one at 9:30. Okay, so be there for Mendel dihybrid cross and their conclusions, law of segregations, law of independent assortment. Okay, that we're going to study in that one. Okay. Done.
Mm.
Hmm? So if it is C2H4O2, what does it means? Can you tell me what is C4?
It is carboxylic acid and ethanoic acid since it's C2.
Yeah. Okay. So can you tell me that other functional, I mean, other compound that can have the same functional this compressed formula? Is there any other compound that can have this same formula?
Ester.
Yes, esters. The general formula for esters and carboxylic acid in compressed form, it is same. Okay. You understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
The general formula for
Sir,
carboxylic acid and esters is same. So
sir,
let's,
your screen is stuck again.
yeah, I know. Okay, thanks for reminding. Okay, now you can check it. Here it is C2H4O2. Okay, it can be a carboxylic acid as well as an ester. Okay, but for forming an ester, at least we need 3 carbon. Yeah, no, it 2 carbon is also possible. Like we have COOCH3. This is a ester. Okay, this is an ester. Okay. Generally we have RCOOR, at least 1 carbon here, but it's okay if it is hydrogen here. But it can be a carboxylic acid and an esters also. But here it is saying that when it react with a metals, so general formula is CnH2nO2. It is for both acid as well as carboxylic acid as well as ester. But here saying when it's saying Na, it is reacting with an Na, sodium, and produce a gas R, which produce means which when burns it produce pop sound. Pop sound indicating hydrogen gas. Okay. So it means it is definitely confirmed that it is an acid, because acids when react with metals, they form salt plus hydrogen gas. So it is confirmed that this is a carboxylic acid because it is a 2 carbon carboxylic acid. So you can take it CH3COOH. Okay, when it react with sodium, it will give you salt plus, this will give salt will be CH3CONA plus hydrogen gas. So it is compound C and it is R. Okay, got it? Can you tell me the name of compound R?
Sodium ethanoate.
Yes, it is sodium ethanoate. Ethanoate. Okay. Now, if I talk about this one, compound C on treatment with alcohol A. Compound C on treatment with alcohol A. So what is compound C? This CS3. On treatment with alcohol A, it is not mentioned, but it is saying that it is an alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So let it will give a, if a compound S, which is the formula CnH3, double of this one is CnH2n hota na? C, so you will write here 6 and then O2. So it is saying that it is having C3H6O2 plus water. You know that it is an esterification reaction, so it should be water here. So can you tell me that the name of this alcohol and the name of this ester? Anybody in the class?
Alcohol A is ethanol.
Alcohol A is ethanol. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Other students? Jobita? Other students? Jaslene, Jobita, Tejasvi, Kiran. Sure.
Methanol.
It is?
Methanol.
Yeah, it is methanol. Why methanol? Let me explain. When ester is formed, I'm going to explain you. When alcohol, let you have C2H5OH. If it is ethanol, okay, when it react with carboxylic acid, CS3COH, ethanoic acid, it is a 2-carbon carboxylic acid. So it will give you CS3COO, and this portion will attached here, C2H5. Now count the total number of carbons, 2 and 4. So here, count the total number of carbon, 2 plus 2, 4. So here in the ester, the total number of carbon that we have taken should be in both the carboxylic acid. Means ester is going to have the total number of carbon as that of alcohol as well as in carboxylic acid. Well, sum of them. But in our question, it is C3S6O2. So it is 3. There are 3 carbon. And out of this 3, 2 will be from carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid now. Because we have ethanoic acid CS3, C2, CH3COOH. The 2 carbon comes from this one. So the alcohol should be 1 carbon. This is methanol. Okay, Abhi, you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the total 2 and 1, 3 should be there. So it is 3. Okay, so this is methanol. And all. This is an alcohol. Okay, you understood now. Next. Uh, just- now, what is it saying? Now, what is the name of this one? Name of this compound? S. It is CS3COOCH3. What is the name of this compound? Can you tell me the name of this compound? Anybody in the class? What is the name of this compound? Can you tell me?
Sir, it's methyl ethanoate.
Yes, because this group is CH3. If it is sodium, like if it is like the CH3COO, so you write sodium ethanoate. You write the name of this group. Here, the name of this group is CH3. And CH3 name is methyl. So you will write methyl ethanoate. So it is methyl ethanoate. Now, this is an esterification reaction. Now, can you tell me that this S on treatment with NaOH gives R and A back? Can you tell me? What is this reaction? This S, like it is CSC3, or I can write it like this way, CS3COOCH3. This is S. When react with NaOH, it will gives you R and S back. R is this one, CH3COONA, and this is R and A. A is alcohol, which is methanol, CH3OH. So can you tell me that what is the name of this reaction? What is the name given to this reaction?
Saponification.
Yes, saponification reaction. Reactions. Okay. And this is the same reaction that we have. Okay. So keep in mind that when NaOH is going to react, so it will gives you in the saponification reaction, esters when react with NaOH, it will gives you respective alcohol plus sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Is there any students in the class who didn't understood this question? Any student? Hmm? Okay. Do this question number 33. Do this question number 33. And when you're done, please let me know, okay?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Abdullah. How are you? You joined recently?
Yes, I joined just now, sir.
Why?
Sir, actually, I'm outside right now. So at that time when the class started, I had to leave my house, so I wasn't able to join at that time.
Do question number 33.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, tell me what is A?
So carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid,
Okay. B.
alcohol, ethanol, and compound X is ethyl ethanoate or ester.
Okay. Yes, this is very simple. If I talk about this one here only. So it is saying compound X is formed. It is formed. Any compound X is not reacting. First of all, just concentrate. Most of the students start doing compound X. Okay. So let's have this question. Okay. A compound X is formed when carboxylic acid, this is the carboxylic acid, two carbon and an alcohol is reacting. Okay. And we don't know the how much carbon alcohol it is. Okay. So let's talk. Let's take this question on the so that you can understand it more betterly. Is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here in this question, first of all, when this type of question is being given to you, you read the question carefully. When XYZ question is being given to you, just read the question carefully. It is not a tough question. Just you need to concentrate. Sometimes the student, a compound X is, they instead don't read this one, they think that it is reacting. So it is formed. So this compound is formed when it is being treated with carboxylic acid. That is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Okay. And an alcohol. And it is the 2-carbon carboxylic acid because it is mentioned the formula C2H4O2. So it is CH3COOH, 2-carbon carboxylic acid, an alcohol. So you know that it is an esterification reaction. Okay. So you know that ester will be found when alcohols and carboxylic acid react together. But still we don't know that how much carbon alcohol it is. Let's try to find out the alcohol on oxidation with alkaline cheminophore. The alcohol that is being used here, if it is oxidized, in the presence of alkaline cheminophore, then it will gives you this, you know that alcohols on oxidation, complete oxidation gives carboxylic acid. So it is saying that that followed by acidification means if you're passing this alkaline cheminophore to this alcohol, it give the same structure name. It gives the same carboxylic acid. Okay, it gives this same carboxylic acid. So this alcohol on oxidation give the same carboxylic acid, means this carboxylic acid means 2-carbon carboxylic acid. So it will be CH3COOH, okay, plus water. So it is mentioned here that it is a 2-carbon carboxylic acid is being obtained. So you know that if 2-carbon alcohol oxidize, it gives you 2-carbon carboxylic acid. If it is 3-carbon alcohol, it will give you 3-carbon carboxylic acid. If it is 4-carbon, it will give you 4-carbon carboxylic acid, and so on. Understood? So it is mentioned. Now it is 2-carbon alcohol. 2-carbon alcohol is ethanol. So you will take C2H5OH. And you know that if it is C2H5OH here, and it is CH3COOH here. So what is the name of this X compound that is going to form? Can you tell me the name of this compound?
Ethyl ethanoate.
Yes, it is ethyl ethanoate. So you know that the first, very simple, you can find out that this group will be added for CH3COO, and this group, okay, this group will have C2H5. Okay, now this is very simple. This group comes from the alcohol and this group comes from the carboxylic acid. Got it? Now, what's the name of this one? Write the name of this one. What is the name of this one? C2H5 is ethyl. 2-carbon chain. Ethyl ethanoate. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now you understood this question. Is there any doubt, or you understood this question 100%? Is there any doubt? You don't speak. Let's take some question from the CBSE sample paper, okay? Just a minute. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, okay? Is it visible to you now? Hmm? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do this question number 34 B part. To take this compound. This X and Y Z compound, the questions are very important, okay? These are the key that how you can score your 100% marks. Don't go through so many books. Just do the NCERT examiner. This is very important. And do not miss any test that we are giving you, okay? Then you are going to score 100% marks in your exam.
So, or
Understood?
question, right?
Yes, 34th or part. 34 or part. Tell me what is said here. Raina, while doing certain reaction observations, that heating substance X with vinegar, okay, the smell like substance is Y in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid on a water bath, okay, gives a sweet smelling substance Z, which has the molecular formula C4H8O2, okay. When heated with caustic soda, it gives Z. So tell me, what is X, Y, and Z?
X is ethanoic acid, Y is ethanol, and Z is ethyl alcohol. Ethanoid.
No, yeah, ethyl ethanoid.
Ethanoid, yeah.
Yeah, simple. So gives caustic soda and when heated with Z gives back sodium salt of carboxylic acid and the compound Y. Okay. So let's take this question. This question is from CBSC sample paper. CBSC sample paper. Okay. So what is in this question? Raina, while doing certain reaction observation, when she is doing certain observation reactions and heating substance X, she is heating. So X should be here. Okay. With vinegar like smell. It is means it is a carboxylic acid. Vinegar like smell. It indicate that it is a carboxylic acid, and vinegar is containing ethanoic acid. Means vinegar is 5%, 5 to 8% ethanol. Sorry, ethanoic acid, and rest is water. Okay, with a substance Y. So it is a carboxylic acid. We have confirmed carboxylic acid and it is a compound Y. It is Y, which is a good solvent for the industrial purpose. You know that it is alcohol, because it is giving you a sweet smelling substance in the presence of concentrated. This is another an indication that it is an esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. Okay. So here, what you do that this is X, Y, and it is going to give you a compound, which is a sweet smelling substance. A compound Z is formed here. Okay. And its molecular formula is C4H8O2. So I have told you that if it is ethanoic acid, because it is a vinegar-like smell, so X is ethanoic acid. That is CH3COH. Are you getting what I'm saying? Are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So it is C2CH3, sorry, CH3COOH. So it is a 2 carbons has been used here, and total ester is going to have 4. So it must be 2 carbon alcohol. Okay, it is C2H5OH, because the 2 from here and 2 from here will make the 4. So it is 2 carbon alcohol. Got it? Having molecular formula this. So you know that what should be the name of this compound? This is very simple, that the 2 carbons will come from this carboxylic acid. This is ethanoic acid, CH3CO. And this 2 carbons will come from this C2H5, which is from alcohol. The name of this one will be ethyl ethane O8. You understood? Ethyl ethanoate. And this Y alcohol is this one, and Z is ethyl ethanoate. Now you understood. And now it is saying that if you treat it with caustic soda, this CS3COO C2H5, when you treat it with NaOH, like again it will gives you the respective alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid, means CS3COONa and then C2H5OH. Okay, so this is the respective alcohol that is present here. So it will be obtained in the reaction, and this reaction is known as saponification reaction. Saponification reactions. So I hope you understood this question and you are able to find out and write. Okay, and will able to write all the chemical reaction that is being used here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt to anybody in the class?
No, sir.
Okay. So, dear students, I'm just leaving you right now for the 15 minutes earlier, just because you can take the rest of 15 minutes, just eat something, have some refreshment, okay? And then come back at 9:30 sharp, because we are just going to revise the dihabet cause and its conclusions, okay? So if the students are having any doubt and they are not able to understand, because when I do the that's test what was that Google form, and I was asking that which students and which topics you are feeling means. So in that I have not given you the Mendel dihabet cause class. Okay, some of the students have take that one also, monohybrid and dihybrid cause. So I have given the class of monohybrid cause, and I have given the lecture of that one who had missed that one. Again, I will send you the lecture of monohybrid cause and the question over it. But today in this class, I will going to discuss the dihybrid cause. So I'm just giving you the 15 minutes class test rest. Just come at 9:30. We'll start. Okay, and don't be late, please. Okay. Got
Sir,
it? Yes.
yes.
So don't we have physics
Sir,
class?
You
yeah,
have
we have
physics.
physics class.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So let just a minute. Do you want to take that class? Dihybrid cause?
No, sir.
Is there any students who wants to take the dihybrid cause, or do you want to take the class of physics? Is it important for you? Both the class are important. I'm asking that will you take those what I'm saying here is that I'm just asking that is that topic, that is dihybrid cross, is it important for you? If it is important, then I will shift your class physics class to some other day if you join that one. Tell me fast. Nobody is asking. Dihybrid cross, it is important or not?
Actually, so the chapter we are doing in physics right now is going to end. Like I guess last topic is there. So we have like completed the whole chapter. So it would be better if we